so excited, Alex? Show me your excited noise. Can you do it again? Are you silly? Alex, are you silly? What? What colors do you have there?
Blue.
Blue, and what's the other color?
Green.
Green. Can you show me? Hold up the blue one. Show Mommy the blue one.
Hold.
Yeah, hold it. Which one's blue?
Hold it.
Which one's blue?
Blue.
Good job. Whoa. Which one? You got the blue one? Now show me the green one.
Green now.
Yeah, get the green one now.
Green.
Green, get it?
Get.
Yes, good job. You're so smart, buddy. Whoa. Did you fall? Alex, what color is this part of the tub right here where Mama's finger is? What color is this part?
Green.
No. Where's Mom? White. Good job. There you go. What's wrong? There you go. You're fine. Can you tell me what color the sponge is? What color is the sponge?
Green.
No.
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job.
Yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Oh, yeah, Mommy's paint is yellow. See, yes, you are smart.
Blue.
Blue? Blue?
Green.
Yeah, green.
Blue.
What color is your PJs?
Blue.
Your PJs are blue. Can you tell me what color Mommy's sweatshirt is? What color is this?
Pink.
Pink? Good job.
Green. Green.
Oh, that's red paint.
What?
Red. You like to call red green, don't you? You may be a little bit colorblind. Alex, can you do your excited face for Mommy again? Ooh. Can you do it with the paints in your hand? Gotta hold the paints and do it. Ooh, you're so funny. Whoop. Yours, don't fall. Ah. Hi. Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Hi. Can you say happy birthday?
Happy day.
Good job.